This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Alright, and welcome to new rule-based optimization. So Zeropark changed the way the interface looks, but not the way it works. And the principle behind this feature is still the same. So, however, this new look adds an option to automatically create the most common optimization rules. In this way, the whole process takes seconds. So the following guide is going to describe how to create the rules automatically and manually. Alright, so how does it work? The rule-based optimization feature is constructed in a way that resembles the standard if-then logical statement, so they're easy to understand. The structure for a rule is as follows. If a condition is met for the selected criterion within a given time frame, then perform a certain action. You can create more than one rule, and the system will follow each rule in order from the first to the last one. So your automatic rule creation. The new look of the rule-based optimization feature allows you to create 3 most popular rule types with one simple click. And in order to do so, you must perform the following steps. So I'm already going to be in the campaign details view, so that would be step 1. Step 2, we're going to scroll down to the optimization rules section, and we're going to click the optimization rules set. Alright, so now we're going to have to provide the ECPA that we're willing to pay. So we're just going to keep it at $1. We'll select check because we will confirm that. So now we're going to say, okay, we understand, and it looks like it does not like the dollar. The minimum is $2.50. Okay, so your minimum ECPA needs to be $2.50, so I'm going to put $3, and then I'm going to hit check. Alright, great. So now it's going to give us a set of 3 optimization rules. If you prefer to create optimization rules manually, you can do so by doing the following steps. So here we are again in the campaign details view, and then in the rule-based optimization section, we're going to select new rule. So now we have an area where we can create a new rule where we can set it up on the target, and we can determine the value or the metric for the spin that we would like to use. So this is going to be where we set our condition value and our condition metric. Now, next, we're going to need to set up our criteria related to the ROI, the conversion, the ECPA or the conversion rate, and we need to say what percentage we want it to be greater than or less than. We also need to set a rule for the time frame, whether or not it's within the last hour, the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, or custom. And then we need to set a rule for then. Do we want to pause the campaign? Do we want to bid up? Do we want to bid down? And you can modify it that way, and then you would just hit check to confirm your new rule that you have manually set up, and you are all set.